Rurenda ruoria murimo wa COVID-19 utheremete guku bururi-ini rurathie na mbere o rukiaramaga. Amwe ya arwaru 12 aica ikuhi makiuma kaunti-ini cia Nyeri na Laikipia, undu uria waya gukindira hahuire ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri ngwataniro-ini ya urumwe wa kimabũrũri rukoretwo nayo ya ati murimu uyu waya gukorwo thegete muno gitaru-ini kia Africa.
This now brings the total number of those who have tested positive for the disease in the country to 122. I am saddened to inform you that we have lost another patient to the coronavirus disease. The person, a 6-year-old male child who was also ailing from other medical conditions and had been admitted to Kenyatta National Hospital.
No gikuũ gĩa kahĩĩ ka mĩaka 6 kamwe ka arwaru aria ethi muno thiini wa thi kuragwo ni murimu uyu gukinyeria riu nikio kirahingura ndereti ikoretwo ikiariririo na mihehu yoria ciana cingigitirwo kumana na murimu uyu uria uratambio makiria na njira ya gukuhaniriria na mundu wina virus cia murimu uyu kana kuhutia handu kana kindu kinacio. Riri mutugo wa ciana uikaine ni wa gukuhaniriria, kuhutania na kuhutahutia indo hakuhi ciothe matungana nacio.
Regarding the 6-year-old who died in Kenyatta National Hospital, of course, the necessary infection prevention control measures have been put in place, including quarantining of the staff that handled this particular deceased child. We have also been in contact with Kenyatta to ensure that that particular place has been disinfected and all those patients moved elsewhere.
Ministry ya Iganda ni hanyukite guteaniria muhuhu wa ati thirikari ndihaririirie na indo iria cirabatarania kugitira muingi na arigitani aria me muhari-ini wa mbere gutangikira arwaru. Guoya uyu ukoretwo gitambio makiria ni mbica ya uria mabũrũri mangi maratangika ni wagi wa indo ici na nimo makoretwo magiteithia Kenya. Rita riri dalili ciothe ikionania ati uteithio ucio ndugukaga watira.
The material we currently have in stock among our fabric manufacturers is sufficient to make 60 million masks immediately.
I would like to appeal to those who are hoarding oxygen cylinders to release them. I am also appealing to various offices and business institutions to minimize the use of hard copies in their transactions and to adopt the use of paperless mode, especially for letters and other documents.
It's cheaper than what that we import.
Ataramu urigitani maraiga ati gukorwo indo ici cigithondekerwo guku bururi-ini ni undu ukuhuthia mubango wa gutigirira ati kiria giothe gigukorwo gikirehwo thoko-ini ni gihikiro iria ciagiriire. Riri indo iria ciroima mabũrũri-ini mamwe cikoretwo cikirikana ati ni cirahingica mubango mugima wa kung'ethanira na murimu uyu. Gibarua kinene riu kiri gutigirira ati kambuni cia guku bururi-ini ciena uhoti wa guthondeka indo nyingi ta uria thoko igubatara na cia ikiro iria ciagiriire.
From the indication that we have received from the manufacturers and the retailers, and given the volume expected, we don't expect any of these masks that is available for sale to sell for more than 20 shillings.
Mehaririria maya mothe no monekane ta me marumu no igithoma na mabũrũri maria maguthitwo muno ni murimu wa COVID-19. Thirikari roiga ati mehaririria maya mothe no matuo itata iria-ini. Nie nawe twarega guthingatithia mawatho na mitaratara iria tugathikirwo ya kung'ethanira na murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.